Right, so first job of the day. Now I can continue on with this job because look, the birds have gone. I'll take that nest out. There. I've made it out of everything. I'll put it somewhere else. Put it in this. Oh, that won't be suitable. Pop. That won't be a good idea either. That'll stop the new ones coming up. Go this new out here. Cut the bed. Someone the bird might find it. See, no, that looks good there. Right, now I can cut straight through there with the hedge trimmer. 2 weeks it took. I just waited 2 weeks and good to go again. Oh. Through it. Let's go load her up. See what it looks like. Right then, I'll load her up. Now I've got my bit of energy bar. Always the funnest thing. I'm going to load up to there. Anyone who mows lawns will know that the yucca is the worst plant ever to get on the face of the earth, because the leaves drop and they're tough buggers. I think they weave baskets out of them actually in some places. But what they do to the ride on is they wrap around the spindle and put heaps of strain on the motor, and you've got to cut them out, and to cut them out you've got to get your arm right under there in the smallest place and just use a sharp knife and cut I guess. But yeah, if you see a yucca around, be careful not to mow over it. It only takes one and your mower will slow down, and then you think there's other things wrong with it. Turns out it just could be a yucca leaf under there. Anyway, I'm on to the next job now. Right, I'm at the next place now. Oh no, there's a sign. Grasses grow pretty fast here. Anyway, I'll get that before from about here and get to it. Famous bird I've ever seen. Oh well, there's the second job complete. There's the after shot. Looks much needed now. Okay, on to the next one. Alright, here I am at the third job of the day. House up there, I always mow this nature strip too, because it's much lower there and it's easier for me to get my mower on. So I just mowed this part for the neighbour as well, but I'll be doing up in there. Oh well, that's that done. Fourth place. Looks like I'll be mowing the lawns. Now I've just got to use my hedge trim and clear the path back for all these azaleas. They're all finished now, so I've just got to keep it right on the line. Check it in a minute. There we go, nice and wide. And I trim the top of them too. I put that in. Just a bit better. Alright, on to the next one. This does not look good. There's two parts of that. I'm not expected to shred all that. I've got to mow the lawn. It's a big, huge lawn as it is. for now. Because I've got a little friend here. Little frog man. Come on, I'll put you into the yeah, you go in there. Go in there. Come on. I'll keep an eye out for So I'll get to it.